In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove your YouTube account from other devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up YouTube app. Once it is done, make sure you are signed into your YouTube account and then tap right here where it says You. Now we need to tap Add Google Account here. Then we'll be taken to our Google account settings, where first off we need to drag this toolbar a bit until we find security here. At security page, we need to scroll down until we find your devices, and then just tap at manage all devices. That's where we can easily find all the devices where our YouTube account is currently signed in, and then we can scroll down and up, and once we find a device we would like to sign out our YouTube account from, all we have to do is just enter it, and then somewhere here you will find this sign out button, and now I'm going to tap on it, and then to confirm it we need to hit right here. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.